Hi, I'm Brad Jones with Okanagan Vinyl Products. I'm in Penticton, BC, and I'm showing a project here that was some commercial chain link that we did for a salmon rehabilitation run. What was our biggest challenges on this job? Well, probably doesn't really show it here. Our biggest challenge was this job was changing quicker than we could install the posts. We would auger a post line and then they would come back and go, oh yeah, we don't want that line there anymore. We want it moved and we want this lovely little curve put in it. And then you'd set posts and then they'd go, oh yeah, by the way, there's an extra foot of topsoil coming in here, so everything needs to go up a foot. And so that was our biggest challenge on this job. And then staying ahead of the timelines because they had to have it open by a Friday for celebratory thing. And so there's 590 feet of commercial chain link here that was changing literally by the day. Posts in and the next day, nope, we're moving that line. And so that made it very challenging. Lots of change orders. Have a great day.